Alright, so it's fucking first thing in the morning. We're about to take an hour drive to a place called 9 Mile River because I just found out Pay Dirt Auto has like 5 Tercel Wagons. So as you can see right there, it's almost 12:30. I think I'm in 9 Mile River. I can't fucking tell for sure. We're about to check our phone because I could be past the place. So good thing is we get LTE here. As you can see, we're right about there. We still have a bit to go before we hit Pay Dirt Auto. Alright, we made it. As you can see, there's already old Toyotas out here, so let's get some parts. The bottom of this fender rusted. This is the second Tercel Wagon, same color, silver. Does it have the interior parts I need? Nope. It doesn't have those back removable panels for the lights. And this one's kind of in rough shape inside anyways. This is sketch. Yeah, it's not worth going in there. Two more side by side. I think this one had a brown interior at one point, but it's all torn apart. Still doesn't have the back covers I need. Ooh, that's rough. This one's been gutted pretty good already. It's probably full of bugs and whatnot. AW11. What the hell? On top of a Tercel Wagon. This one's kind of dangerous too. There's just an AW11 on top. I wonder if this has the 4AGE in it. Or if it's been stripped. Tercel door. Oh look, you can look inside. This is dangerous. Stick shift. This one was a front wheel drive. There's the steering wheel. It's not the one I'm going to take. I already seen the one I'm going to take. Please have a 4A inside. No way. 4AGE right there. Now there's a Tercel Wagon on top of the Camry wagon. Oh, and also an EG hatch. And another Tercel Wagon back there. This one has the correct headlights that I need. Which is awesome. MR2. MR2. Ooh, an older Corolla wagon. This place is so cool. There's MR2s in here. And it has, oh, the steering wheel's kind of gross, but it has the MR2 steering wheel. Oh, dude. Please be unlocked. You can't beat this shit. I don't even know where the latch is for these. I've never even touched an AW11 in person. But this is so cool. These are also one of my dream cars. Oh, that's the frunk. Oops. Where's the trunk? Please don't be rusted. Oh no, it's rusted. It's rusted. I wonder if it'll open anyways. Aw, no 4AGE. Nothing left, not even a trans. Too bad. You don't see a lot. This is the same Tercel on top of the Camry wagon. It has the steering wheel. Ooh, that's good. This one was not an SR5, but it's an automatic. And there's a button for 4-wheel drive. And it also has pretty nice seats inside. I wonder what the back's like. Like, this one's pretty decent. Door doesn't close, sadly. Here's that rear suspension setup. That's all pretty rotted and grody. Random ECU in there. Still no covers, sadly. You can tell this one's already been repaired before. Ooh, I wonder how the fender is on this one. Rusted, just like all of them. And this one's been repaired before. What's it like from this side? Might take some parts from this one. Considering this has the flush headlights. We'll see. Tercel wagon that's way in the back, on top of what looks like I don't know, some American car, 70s probably. This one has the old sealed beam setup, 3A. This is an AL21. This might be front wheel drive. I don't know. I'll have to climb through this tree and get ticks and find out. Ooh. Probably also tetanus. Oh, it's missing a fender already. Yep, this one's front wheel drive. It has the rear independent set up. Oh. It does have the nice seat. It's not even taken out. It's a stick shift front wheel drive. And the center console's already been taken out of it. And of course, none of these have the optional center gauge pod. Still very cool. You can see this is what the rear independent would have looked like on these for the front wheel drives. I wonder if it's got the other fender. The trees here is another one, and what looks like a 3rd gen Tercel. Now these are rare. And it's a coupe no less. A coupe 3rd gen Tercel. Wicked. This junkyard's amazing. Sad sight. I know the topic is Toyota Tercels, but I have a really soft spot for these vehicles right here. It's an EF hatch, and it's my favorite color of EF hatch, white. And it's just been sitting. And next to it, an EF wagon. Literally like one of the rarest Hondas around here. And it's just sitting here, rotting away, sadly. If only I had the space, time, and money to restore all these, I would. And back here, looks to be another Tercel wagon, Corolla wagon, and a Camry. And bugs. Lots and lots of bugs. This one has been sitting so long, there's moss on it. And it looks to be an El Camino. Now this one has been stripped a bit. Look at the moss on that seat. Wow. This one's the same color, believe it or not, as mine. It's just been sitting so long, it looks darker. It is an SR5. Wow. Oh, I wonder if it's got... It has the cover. It has the cover. It has both of them. And it has fenders inside. Oh boy, it has fenders inside. This is a score. It has fenders inside. Look, there's a fucking Tercel fender right here. Wait, is this? No, it's not. But there's a fender sitting right here. What's this? Is this a Tercel fender? No. But there's fenders here. I think I struck a gold mine. Now, if I can get this rear hatch open, is this... Look! What's this here? Oh, not a Tercel wagon fender. Damn. I want to look at these fenders, though. Will this open? Oh, no. I don't think it'll open. That's not good. I need to get to those, and I'm scared to go inside this car because it looks like it's been here for like 20 years. There's moss growing on it. There's fenders here. What are these? Not a Tercel wagon fender. Nope. Still very cool. I'm gonna have to grab my camera soon. After crawling in the fucking depths of the ocean here, I got the panel I needed. It goes right back there. Look at this. Tercel wagon with its ass cut off. Fucking EF hatch. Fucking EF hatch. and a fucking EF wagon.
The motherfucking world is a ghetto, full of magazines, full clips, and heavy metal when the smoke settles. I'm just looking for a big yellow. In 6-inch stilettos, Dr. Dre. Hello. Percolating, keep 'em waiting while you sitting there hating. Your bitch is hyperventilating, hoping that we penetrating. You get snating, cause I never been to Satan. But hardcore administrating, gangbang affiliating. MC Winner had you wildin' off a zone and a whole half a gallon. Get the dialing, 911 emergency. You can tell him, it's my son, he's hurting me, and he's a felon. On parole for robbery, ain't no copping a plea. Ain't no stopping the G. I'm in the 6, you got to hop in the 3. Company monopoly, you handle shit sloppily. I drop a key properly. They